This is your, your output for logistic regression. So this gives you coefficient, each of them, which we have 10 of them, but some of them have high influence on your, say, salary, right? The main influence is your experience, but your education also influence, right? Some of them maybe not, right? Your high school grade, nothing with your salary, So that's called p-value, Have you heard about p-value, right? Statistics, right? Sometimes you take. Just remember, anything less than 0.05, right? That is a high influence. It's significant, For example, this one is significant. This is the texture significant, right? Some of them, like this one, is not significant at all, So why we use all of them, Okay. So, but you can interpret, right? Which have significant influence diagnosis. You're doing, because the low-level language, you have to build up this formula, right? The formula, y equal 1 divided 1 times e, right? This is your formula, right? This is the coefficient, this is the intercept, Intercept there, you put there. This is x1, the first variable, x1, x2, x3, right? 10, total 10, right? You're able to construct a logistic regression formula, right? And that's your result. Then you get diagnosis, you get your 10 variable, right? x1 to x10. You put there, then you calculate the result, 0.75. Sorry, bye-bye. My diagnosis of breast cancer, I cannot teach you anymore, right? That's more than 0.5. Most likely to have breast cancer. I'm not teaching you anymore, not anymore. Bye-bye. Right? Even diagnosis 0.35, it's okay, So this is the result, right? For any new data set, you can make a prediction. Okay? So that is by Excel, when you're doing more work. So for you, assignment 1, congratulations, you have done good work, but some of you have a high similarity. You must redo it. You need to email to me by end of the today. Average, because there's a lot of 0, right? Because similarity gets 0, so bring down that similarity. But the highest 81. Who got 81? Yeah? Good. Congratulations. Yes. Which company you selected? Which one? RBC Bank. Yeah. Good. That's sample paper. Learn from her. Okay. So make sure you, for those similarity, right, you learn this format from her to improve your writing. Okay. And good thing. Most of you discussed about strategy, but we focus on data strategy, data analysis, right? That's why you need to define what do you mean by data strategy. What do you mean by data privacy, right? Most of you talk about your company, right? You see your review paper, they know more than you, right? You always start with the topics. What do you want the reader to do, right? And so you need to apply, offensive, defensive strategy, right? And okay, so some of you didn't follow this report format. The main issue, you didn't define the key concept, different people, different meaning about that strategy, that, privacy, right? You have to define it, And too high similarity to other source. There's plagiarism, or too short, you get some mark deduction, because it requires 3,000 words, If it's too short, too long, you get deduction, okay? So this team project, you know that, very important as a team. Everybody have to work on the team. So week 9, we'll have a competition here. Okay, so let's give you a demo right now, rather than what's time right now. Okay, we have enough time. Let's do demo, have fun, right? Okay, let's do demo. Okay, so you are assignment 3, right? You are doing US South, US West, 8 steps, follow 8 steps, and do a screenshot and put it in your paper and make some brief comment. Not too long, not too short, about 3 to 5 lines. And eventually you will save the result. What storytelling? Yeah, tell what story you try to tell. Yeah. Oh, we found North Carolina lots of money. But not all the store lots money. Some of the store lots money. Not every product lots money. Some product lots money. That's your story, right? You need a multiple visual to tell your story. Then you save your result to there. You don't have to tell me your ID password. Unless I found you too, very similar. I want to access after email to you. Tell me your ID password. I can compare your result, whether you copy your code. Right? Actually, you're allowed to other person to copy your result, right? Both have a consequence. Okay? So make sure you're doing your project because your final exam, I give this one, right? That point. Yeah? Very important. You have to follow me. Okay, let's do a demo. Let's do Python demo first. So that's mainly Python editor. Yeah? And so I used Anaconda, that's a good one, very simple. And I use Spider editor, right? You need the editor writing your code, right? Then you're doing compile, okay? So this is code which I wrote. Now you can let ChatGPT to write for you, right? This code I explained to you. So this one, import all the library, yeah? And you can highlight. You can run section by section. Then this is step 2. You read this data from your local or from your website. Then you take a look at the shape of this data. Yeah, you can type, right? I named this one called Dataset. Yeah, I can tell you Dataset. And what's the shape of the Dataset? Shape. Tell you how many row, how many column. Yeah, same thing, right? You're doing typing or doing by program, same thing. And you take a look, you can highlight and run it. Step 3, you're doing, the describe. You can do describe like this. Dataset. Describe. This is summary statistics. Yeah, right. Tell you what's mean for each of the 10 variables. Yeah, and what's that that standard deviation. Then you're doing visualization. So this one you can show. This is box wizard code. Yeah, each of the 10 variables. Yeah, this is a histogram. Okay. Take some time to write a histogram. Right? Look at some of the histogram very ugly. Yeah, you can see not normal. Yeah, different distribution. Right? That's a very good visualization. So let's focus on this. While doing depth pre-processing, step 3, you remove some of that ID, and then you get X. We use all this variable X, Y. Okay, so X is we use all the 30 variable. We're doing clustering. The Y, you can see the Y is a label. It's NBNB, right? Then you need to convert it to call encoder. This code can do this conversion. M is 1, B is 0, right? Yeah. Then you split that set, as I remember, right? As I mentioned, on the test that set. You split, say, in this case, for 75% of the training, and test side 25%, right? So let us do this one from there, okay? So you use this one, import this one, the function, yeah? You do this split, test side, yeah? So this one will split your data set from training and test, okay? Then after that, you're doing training the model. Okay, this one doing optimization of the code called scatter. Then we're doing k-mean. So we also build a matrix for confusion matrix, right? It's done by computer. Okay, let's do k-mean right now. So this is exactly code to build elbow, right? You just k-mean assume you didn't know why, right? You just fit x. You only know x, yeah? Fit x, yeah? So this one where we generate your elbow. Right? Because this is a command, yeah? You will highlight the commands. So this is elbow, right? With the elbow, you know what's your optimized k. Then you filter your k equal 2, then you visualize your result, prediction. Right? This is your k-mean output. Same code you can use. So let's take a look at logistic regression right now. So this is logistic regression. Basically, you import this formula from this library. Yeah, this is logistic regression formula there. Right? Then you put the formula on your name called LR, logistic regression classifier. Then you're doing fit. This is training, right? Just one line of the code. Yeah, you're doing X training. Training model, training. Y training, the result. Yeah, your model is training. So after training, you're doing prediction. What's your prediction from this model? Okay, then you print out your prediction. This is your prediction. Then you're able to know what's your confusion matrix. On the confusion matrix, you do manually, right? You can do it, check what's your accuracy, right? It's confusion matrix. Use this formula. Okay. Then your model, right? Achieve what's performance. Okay. Similarly, you can do in line-based, support web machine, right? All the code is there. This is support web machine, yeah? Same thing, you just change the code, yeah? Okay, then you're able to get the best model. Okay, it's Python. Easy, yeah?
No, Professor, you have to be an expert in Python to do that.
Well, let's show you whether see you guys lucky enough we can try ChatGPT. Yeah? Okay, let's see whether you're able. But I already generated the code for ChatGPT. And ChatGPT, new chat, yeah? Does it work? Oh, not working? Something blocked. Okay, we are experiencing some exceptional. Okay, let's do this, okay? Everyone have tried ChatGPT, yeah?
What is it? ChatGPT.
Okay. Like Google search. Okay, not search, yeah? But this is a very advanced Google search. Very smart, yeah? They can do programming for you. Google not can do it, yeah? Okay, so let's try, okay? Let's ask ChatGPT, right? Python program on k-mean and using iris flower dataset, like your assignment, yeah? So let's see, right, whether it works or not.
What AI can do?
Look at that, they're writing code for you right now. Yeah? This is make easy for you to learn, but make program very learners. Programmer, yeah? They're writing code for you. So they assume, for this one, they don't generate the elbow, yeah? They put assume 3, yeah? right? That can explain how they wrote this program, right? That is what your K-mean method, yeah? Is that smart? So would that answer your question?
It's for artificial intelligence.
Yeah, smart, right? Okay, let's write this code. Let's explain everything to you. And you copy this code and go to your Python, the compiler, your new file. You just paste this code to see what's the result. Yeah, you just because this iris flower set is everywhere, right? So it's easy. So you run this code. Yeah, this is the outcome, right? Yeah, without changing one line of code, everything there. Right? They divide 3 clusters. Yeah, give the color. But the only thing that's missing is the elbow. Yeah, right? So let's ask ChatGPT. This conversation, right? That can remember you. You go to ChatGPT. Please include elbow chart. So what happened? Right? So now he rewrite for you. Okay? This conversation, I can remember you, right? They add the elbow chart. That's right? So this is the elbow, right? WS is equal to 0. Exactly same in mind, yeah? So this is opportunity for you guys.
Yeah,
Just the right timing. Let's start everything for you.
But this example is just showing the database from the flowers, right?
The flower, yeah, because the famous everywhere.
Yeah, but
flower.
if we need like our database, how can we change that?
Point to your local path. Yeah? You want to read your local path. Or read your other website. Point to that, yeah? That can be able to find for you. So this is more complex, right? They use elbow as well. You can always improve it. Always improve it. That can do for you. Is that exciting? Give a hand. So ChatGPT, not me. It's an opportunity for you guys, yeah, to learn. Doesn't have UCW there, right? There's no clear rule for that, yeah? But for programming, you should be able to do. Yeah, you learn from the programming, right? Otherwise, you didn't use the Python. Now you're able to use Python. So let's copy this code to see whether they can generate. Right? Just go to there, copy this code. Then you go to your editor. You just rewrite this code, overwrite this code. This is new code, right? More complex code. Then just run it. Look at that. Look at that. Is that exactly what I'm right? Yeah. This elbow code they wrote for you. Amazing, yeah. Okay. So you guys, good opportunity for you guys. Okay. So let's do Excel demo. Then we're done. So the Excel, I already there. So this is code. This is a previous outcome. You don't need it. Okay. So this is dataset, yeah, from cancer dataset. Right? So this ID, this 10 variable we are going to use. Okay, from B to K. Okay, 10 variable. And you have to convert manually to a label, which is the last row or column, right? The diagnosis result, you put M to 1, B to 0. We will use this line, right? So, okay, pay attention, right? So which, the package, right? We insert a package called add in, yeah? There's many other packages. This is a free package, XL minor. XL minor, right? So this is the package you want it, you add it, you agree that the term. So this is where XL minus, okay? Then you select logistic regression. You have to tell them what is y. The y should be from AG1 to AG570. Let's see, let's take a look. You have a last data set, you just type the range. AG570, yeah? The 10x from B1 to K570. You can highlight it, right? But I prefer, because a lot of data set, K1, B1 to K570. Okay, then make sure the first line label. Then let's see, the output, you put AH9 from there, and this should work. Let's do 1, 2, 3. Let's see what is the output. Nothing. What's going on? So you have to try again, okay? So where's the result? Let's do again. Show package XL, doing logistic regression Y, which is AG1, AG570, X, K1 to B1 to K570, and so from 1, okay, to see whether you can get a result. I don't know, I cannot get a result today. But I have a previous one. Let me save. Sometimes it's not robust, I don't know, for Excel, right? So what are you going to do? You can go to there, week 6 demo, and I already have a result there. So this is result already there. Okay? This is supposed result. With the result, you construct the logistic regression formula here. Okay? Then with this formula, you can predict anything, yeah? Okay? So that's the result. You need to try by yourself. You need to try it or no. Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes not work. For Excel, I don't want it. So, simple we use Python, right? Okay, that's all for today. Let's go right to addition algorithm. You must try. You have to try. You have to get experience. Yeah. Okay, so we're done. Make sure you sign on your attendance list. Yeah.